Alright, welcome back everyone. This is Eric again, and we're going to be more. This video is about being more specific in your Access imports. And if you want to import a particular item into Access, that's what this video deals with. And again, you could pick up the code and the database at vbahowto.com. My name's Eric, Lobicom Services, and here we go. Anyway, if you saw my earlier video, it's a little bit generic. We are transferring a database table into a database, or more or less importing it into the database. And so, but we just went ahead and called this table. We just said, okay, you're going to import the customer table into the database. And maybe y'all don't have the customer table. Okay, well, I was using the Northwind database, and I was importing the customers table. Maybe some of y'all got errors. So I have this little nifty little variable here called str table name, and we're going to ask what we're going to import. What do you want to import? And then we're going to use that in our transfer database method to go ahead and specify which table in the database you want to import. For example, here I'm going to go to the database, and I already have my path in here. Again, this little build button, okay, it allows you to select the file. Again, this is a Northwind database, and you can go ahead and select whatever you'd like to select. Okay, if it's another database, go ahead and select it. You just have to know what table name you want to select. Okay, import database table. Now, what is the name of the table you want to import? First of all, you're going to select your database. Next, you're going to select what table out of that database you're going to want to import. So you're going to need to know what the table name is. Customers. Okay, I want to import the customers table into my database. Okay, I'm going to import the customer table, and bang. And I'm just calling it, I have a little nifty little box here that says finish importing the table. Okay, great. Well, here it is. And I'm basically saying I'm doing the customers table. Okay, I got the specified customers, and then suffixing it with the local. And then if I open it up, bang. Okay. Now, if I know another table in that database it's called orders. So I'm going to go ahead and import database table, and I'm going to say I want the orders table now. Okay, and bang, and it finished importing the table, and here it is, orders local, and it imported the orders table. Now, some of you may ask, well, how do you do that? Well, anyway, if you go back to a earlier video of mine somewhere around here, str table name, I'm storing the value of the input box. Okay, input box function, and like I said, I discussed that in an earlier video. And I'm going to stoke whatever I type into that box, I'm putting it into the variable str table name, and then I'm using the str table name in my database transfer database method. Okay, I'm importing a Microsoft Access object, and from where? From this file database keyword database. I'm taking query out of it. I'm saying, okay, I'm using the variable that I set. Whatever I set up here in the table name. Okay, I've said I was going to import the customer table. Here, import the customers table, and then into what am I going to call it in my database? Well, I'm going to call it str table name, and then to make it kind of unique, I could really use it. Really, this is for video purposes, but I could just call it str table name. But I decided I was going to call it str table name underscore local, just to help out. Okay, just for the video's sake. And false. Again, that's it. Oh, and I have this nifty little box there at the end saying message box, finish importing table. So thanks a lot for watching. Hopefully that was helpful, and maybe I can do another video for y'all about how to import multiple objects into kind of like the import wizard, and create your own. And I'll see how much demand is on that. How much of y'all want that particular feature. But again, VB How To, you can get the code and you can get the database for this, and on the Lobocom services. Okay, if you can't figure it out, call me. And I encourage you to come on out. Hopefully it was helpful to you, and you have yourself a good day. Bye now. Until the next video.